Web navigators, hello and welcome to PC Tips and Tricks. What is the JPEG XL format? It's a compression format, an evolution of the classic JPEG format. Its extension is JXL. It's a royalty-free image format designed to offer better compression while preserving high image quality. Here are some advantages of JPEG XL. Better compression. Reduces file sizes by up to 75% compared to classic JPEG. Preserved quality, less loss of detail despite more efficient compression. Extended color support allows for better color reproduction, including HDR, fast encoding and decoding. Optimized for smooth and fast use. Lossless conversion allows you to convert a JPEG to JPEG XL without loss of quality and vice versa. Once you have installed the extension, Windows 11 will natively support the JPEG XL format. This will allow compatible software to open and process this format without third-party tools. Despite its technical advantages, the adoption of JPEG XL is still limited due to the lack of native support in operating systems and browsers. But its adoption is hindered by a lack of widespread support. But this should in no way stop you from installing it. Let's go. Click on the link indicated in the description. Then copy and paste the link into the search bar and validate. A window appears. Click on the link indicated by the arrow. There, the installation package is downloaded. You just have to double-click to install it. Quick and efficient, at least that will be done. We are coming to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video.